So you just got your 4Bros Molle adapter, so you can mount your pistol or accessory to a vest, plate carry, or backpack, anything that uses a 3-cell Molle loop. The first thing we're going to do is take your holster, which is Blade Tech or Black Hawk pattern, and we're going to remove the existing attachment. I already did that and set these screws here. What you're going to want to do is save your posts and your washers because you're going to use them in install. And then we're going to get into what is in your kit. So this right here is everything in the kit. 2 Molle adapters, your 4Bros plate, and all the hardware that you'll need. Just to give you guys a quick overview, these short screws are going to be used, and then also one of these 2 screws and a center mount, or the longer ones in the event you need more thread engagement based on your accessories. So to line this up, you're going to take your plate and mount it logo side towards the holster. You're going to take these 3 holes and line them up with the 3 holes underneath the biggest hole. So it looks much like that. Once you have those in alignment for those 3 holes, you're going to take your adapter. Make sure that they are open. You don't want to fasten it and trap this thing closed, but we'll take our left side first, line up the top hole with the top plate hole, and then you should be able to see through to your holster mounting screws. So we're going to take this side, we're going to take the short post and start at the top. We're actually going to do all of our short posts first. And then once you have those 3 short posts intact, which line up with the 3 holes in the mounting plate here, you're going to want to use one of the longer screws to drop through to seat this to the holster. You can hold the post inside the holster to provide yourself some support while fastening that. We're going to get them snug. So the right side is complete. Now we're going to move on to the left side. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to start with 3 plate holes with the pre-installed captures and then move on to the holster fastener. Now that both sides are done, your screw pattern should look much like this. Remember, these 2 are going all the way through to the holster mount here, and these 3 on each side are holding the Molle adapter to the plate. Now to send everything home, you're going to take one of these flatheads, depending on how much thread engagement you need. We're going to use a short one, and you're going to finish it off by fastening it here. And like I said, you can hold the post from the back side of the holster to give yourself some support. So upon completion, you'll have these 4 holes on each side filled, and then this one here at the bottom. Now, once everything's complete, you can go in and use some VC3 or other thread locker, undo 1 screw at a time, and fasten these home. I'm not going to thread lock it because I'm going to take this back off for install purposes, but definitely get yourself some Loctite so this doesn't come loose when you're at work or out on the range.